Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is not the recipe that I'd planned on making. I am still finding it's sort of hard to find the ingredients for the recipes that I want to make, so that became an issue. And Mom is also having that same problem. So she had some heavy whipping cream. Okay. And then I was talking to a friend over the weekend who said that they had used heavy whipping cream to make, whipped cream, but it didn't taste just like normal whipped cream. And I then had to explain why it didn't. Well, instead of just explaining that, I'm going to show you how I make whipped cream. Now this is different from the whipped topping that we make. Click that card up there. It'll take you to the day where we made whipped topping. Whipped topping will hold its structure much, much longer. It will hold form. It is better for things where you would use something like Cool Whip. Whipped cream is just that. It's whipped cream. It will not hold the structure as long. But there are a couple things to remember. One is, make sure that everything that you use is really, really cold. So let me take it out of the freezer. From my freezer, I have my mixing bowl. There we go. And my whisk. Not very much you need for this recipe. We're going to start off with our whipping cream. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description. I'm going to go ahead and start that up. To that I'm going to add my powdered sugar and a little bit of vanilla. Now, if you have a hard time finding powdered sugar, click that card. It'll take you to the day where I made powdered sugar, and that was the powdered sugar that I used. I used homemade powdered sugar. Now the easy part, you just whip. Right now we're at a soft peak stage. See, soft peaks. So we're going to go a little bit longer. I am going to scrape this down just a bit. There we go. Let's check that. Oh, perfect. Nice stiff peaks. Now, I'm going to take this . Now, this is whipping cream. This is whipped cream. Let me give it a taste. That's the traditional whipped cream that I know and love. It has that slightly vanilla, the milky taste. It is soft, it is sweet. It's really good. Now, how much sugar you add to this is up to you. Without the sugar, it will just have a plain, cream taste. This was really good, really easy to make. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.